Hi, this is the VIVO X90 Pro and I'll show you how to activate fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So now let's just check. And we can see that the animation is turned off. If you want to turn it on, just open the settings and scroll down to the security section. Then click to the fingerprint, enter one from your protect methods and tap to animation styles and switch just now to one from these available animations. Then just tap to apply. Just let's lock the device. Let's check. And we can see that we just successfully changed the animation style of the fingerprint sensor animation. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.